Tom is doing today's unboxing video by himself as I'm too busy setting up our local AI stack. Take it away, Tom! This is going to be painful to watch.
Hello, welcome to Tom's Cubes and Games, and I'm doing an unboxing of my new calculator. Unfortunately, Anna's too busy today. There it is. TI-84 plus CE Python edition. There's no manual in this, I believe. I think all the documentation's online and PDF files. Now, this has probably been sat here in the box for like 10 years or something. So I don't know if there'll be any charge in the battery. Yes, incredible. Can't believe there's charge left. Nice keyboard, I like it. Nice screen, I like the screen. Okay, we've got various apps there, and obviously being Python edition, we can write our own apps in Python. Don't know Python yet, so I'm just going to leave it there. Might probably make a video in a week when I know Python. First impressions, awesome, awesome. I love the look of this, and the keyboard's nice, the screen's nice. Wow, fantastic. Right, well, thank you for watching. Bye. Come back in a week.
I said it would be a painful watch, but even I didn't expect it to be that bad.
Tom's Cubes and Games. No slop, just excellence in AI.